All right, guys, welcome back to another episode of Computer Applications. In today's episode, there's not a lot of really new things. Hopefully, a lot of this is review from the stuff that we've done in Google Docs, but there are a couple of things that I want to point out. First off, there was a little bit of confusion in the Docs section of what it is that you should be doing when you do a file save as. And for this project, I think it's going to be really convenient if you make a copy of your presentation. So if you come up here to a file, go down to make a copy, you can copy the entire presentation there, and that'll give you a new blank template that you can use as you're working through. Because you're going to want to make a copy of your lesson one from previously so that you can make modifications to it for this assignment. In addition, you're going to be taking a look at changing, font size again, bold, italics, underline, all of the same tools we were using inside Google Docs. That should be pretty easy. You can change your text color along the way. So none of that should be really a surprise. One thing I do want to point out to you, though, is if you have a set of text there, if you come up here to this Format Options button, it'll pull up in this menu here that you can see I've got open, and one of the options here is what they call a drop shadow. What a drop shadow does, I don't know if you can tell that right now, but it actually puts a little text shadow all around all of the lines. Toggle it on and off there. It helps make your text maybe pop out of the presentation a little bit, and it can be useful especially for a lot of titles or really important points. That's just something that you're going to be using in the presentation today to kind of keep an eye on. So I wanted to point it out to you from there. But that really is about the only new thing that you're going to be using in today's presentation lesson. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the recording here and let you get to it.